Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Ryan and this is another lead gen tactic to help you thrive in the current market. So we've talked about landing pages and how they help us create standalone websites that we can utilize for lead generation or for showing off our latest listing. But it's also, in today's online age, incredibly important to have an online presence and a website that is not only professional, not only functional, but also personal, and shows people who are in business with you why they're in business with you, and shows those who are not yet in business with you why they should be. And with that in mind, we have the ability to create agent site pages in Command that are going to be subpages of your .kw.com website and allow you to share information about your community, show off your favorite listings, leave testimonials, or allow those who have worked with you in the past to leave reviews for you, and so much more. And much like with landing pages, all we need to do in Command's consumer platform to create those agent site pages is drag and drop a few widgets and make sure they are configured in the way we expect. So let's take a look at how easy it is for us to build out a personalized website through the use of agent site pages. All right, now I am here within Command and I'm going to navigate to my consumer applet, which is where I'm able to create and manage my website and my landing pages all in one platform for what I put out there on the internet. And in my demo account here, I've got a few agent site pages that I've already created. So you can see those here in the agent site pages tab. If I'd like to start a new one, all I need to do is navigate to the top right here where I see the Create New Page button and select Agent Site Pages, which will be where the cursor is placed by default. Then once I'm within the Agent Site Page Editor, which you'll notice looks exactly like that of our landing page editor, right, all I need to do is utilize the available widgets to create content on my canvas and save those to my agent site. So if I'd like to add my agent profile, this is going to pull in all sorts of information from my marketing profile, including my contact details and my bio. Then I can pull that directly into my page just by simply dragging and dropping that widget. If I'd like to add additional widgets as well, I'll just need to drag and drop those too. So if I want to include that contact form, I can drag and drop that here right beneath. Pay attention to where the green line shows up on your screen is before you drop anything. That's going to be where that widget goes in terms of positioning. So right underneath my profile, here's that contact form that I just dragged and dropped. Now, before I proceed with any of my pages that I'm creating, I'm going to want to do two very important things. The first thing is to make sure I click this Configure Widgets button here in the bottom right. This one's important. It's kind of hiding down there because this is what's going to allow you to customize and personalize whatever it is that you're currently adding to your page. So if you've included something like the testimonial form, allowing your clients to leave reviews of your services or their past experiences with you, then you can customize exactly what's going to show up when they click that or when they see that on your page. Right? Let's drag and drop that here right above this contact form. And you'll notice that it's grayed out because I have not yet taken that step to configure it. So some widgets will be already configured by default, basic ones that are just pulling from other sources in your Command account. Some you're going to have to make sure you customize first. But either way, I can do so by clicking that here in the bottom right and making whatever changes are necessary. So with my testimonial capture, I can do things like change the headline, change the text description that's going to show up, and so much more. Once I'm happy with that, I'll hit save and apply. And all of my widgets that are configured and ready to go will have a green check mark by them, so I know that I'm clear to proceed. The second thing that you're going to want to do before you complete the creation process of an agent site page is make sure you name it something that you're going to be able to identify and know what it is that you're doing with this. So if this page is going to be called my leave a review page, let's go ahead and type that right into my command canvas in the top left of my screen so that I know what this page is if I ever need to come back and make any changes in the future. Last step then will be to click Save Changes in the top right of my screen. The pop-up that you see here will ask you now if you would like to continue to your site and app settings to publish this page. And this is going to be very important because unlike with a landing page that is standalone and something that you'll be able to share out the URL of, right? This agent site page that we just created together won't functionally exist on your website until it has been published. So when we click yes here, we'll be taken to the settings where we can do exactly that. And this is the very, very important final step. So clicking yes after the creation of a page will take us directly to this space within our settings where we can control what our navigation menu looks like in our agent site page. And this is going to be required for anything you want to show up in that navigation. So even though we've created it here in the command creator, we also need to make sure that we add that page here within our settings to ensure that it's available for people to see. So if we click add page here, we'll be able to select that leave a review page that we just created together. And then just name it. What do we want it to show up as on our website? So let's call it what we named it initially, leave a review. And we can even customize the URL slug, or what will appear after the slash with our KW website subdomain. All I need to type in there is what comes after the slash, save that, and now that page will be available on my agent website. And just like that, we have created an agent web page that will be available on our KW website and allow us to share and personalize any of the content that we would like to have there. And just like that, you'll start to build a professional and functional online presence for yourself that your existing clients will love and appreciate the features of, and your future clients will also be able to utilize while they are starting this journey with you. Go ahead, click another video to see another lead gen tactic that we can use to thrive in the current market. Until next time.